Did you know that over 35% of websites are powered by WordPress? If you've ever thought about creating your own website, but felt overwhelmed by the technical stuff, stick around because I'm going to show you just how easy it is using Bluehost and WordPress. Hey everyone! Today I'm walking you through a super simple way to get your website up and running. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create your own site in just minutes with Bluehost and WordPress. Now, I know that creating a website can seem really daunting. All those terms like hosting, domains, and plugins can feel like a foreign language, but here's the good news. I'm here to simplify it for you. No technical jargon, just straightforward steps. First things first, let's talk about getting a domain and hosting through Bluehost. Head over to bluehost.com and click on the Get Started button. You'll see a range of plans. For beginners, the basic plan is usually enough. Choose a plan, and then you'll be prompted to create a new domain name. This is your website's address, so make it something catchy and relevant to your content. Once you've got your domain, it's time to set up hosting. Follow the prompts to enter your account information and complete the purchase. Bluehost makes this really simple with their user-friendly interface. After you've completed your purchase, you'll get a confirmation email with your login details. Next, let's install WordPress. Bluehost actually has a one-click WordPress installation option. Once you're logged into your Bluehost account, just click on My Sites and then Create Site. Follow the on-screen instructions, and in a few clicks, WordPress will be installed on your site. Now comes the fun part, choosing a theme. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to choose from. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance and then Themes. Browse through the themes and pick one that suits your style. Install and activate it. With your theme in place, it's time to customize your website. From your dashboard, click on Customize. Here you can change your site's title, tagline, colors, fonts, and more. Add your logo, create new pages, and set up your menu. This is where your website really starts to take shape. Add some content like an About Me page or your first blog post to make it truly yours. All right, let's recap. We started by getting a domain and hosting through Bluehost, then installed WordPress with just a few clicks. We chose a theme and started customizing our site to fit our brand and style. See, creating a website is easier than it seems. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and start building your website today. If you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Check out our other tutorials for more tips on website building. Thanks for watching and happy website creating.